Hi boss, my name is Leo from ACME. Today, let's get a close look at our new furnace model, the Unmanned Intelligence Vacuum Heat Treatment Furnace. This system is composed of 6 furnaces. The loading capacity is 1500 kg and vacuum is 0.1 Pascal. And the maximum quench pressure is 12 bar. The maximum temperature is 1350 degrees C. It is used for solid solution strengthening of aircraft engine triple disc. Here are the main highlights of this system. First, the quenching medium is a helium and hydrogen mixture. The hot zone quenching speed is reached 1000 degrees C per minute. The cooling speed is close to oil quench. In addition, it has a great gas recovery system for the gas. The recovery rate higher than 99%, saving production cost. The second, the production line is centralized controlled. The production site is no man involved. The loading, heating, quenching, gas recovery, and unloading are completed in full automation. And the central control can work with the maze system and factory overall plant control system. The third, the furnace is running in a continuous working model, and it's running for 24 hours uninterrupted. The output capacity per year is 8,000 batches. Welcome to all the guests from all over the world.